The Galaxy Watch 6 proves that what's old can become new again. Samsung brought back the fan-favorite bezel on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, while the regular Galaxy Watch 6 is an incremental update to last year's model. These Android smartwatches are not exciting, but they can do almost everything you need. I've been wearing both versions for a week to track everything from workouts to sleep inside. They're practically the same watch with the same internal spec sensors and sizing options, it seems like. A small upgrade on paper at the larger 1.3-inch and 1.5-inch displays make a significant difference to the overall experience when I compare the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic directly with the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. The difference in usable display is night and day. The screens are also twice as bright as the Galaxy Watch 5 and Pro, reaching a maximum 2000 nits. I found them so much easier to see in sunlight. They always on display is brighter too. I love that Samsung listened to feedback and brought back the rotating bezel. Not only does it make
navigation more fun, it's a practical way to control the watch if you wear gloves or have sweaty or wet fingers. The bezel is also slimmer than the version we last saw on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, but it doesn't do anything new and should never have left. The regular Galaxy Watch 6 has a touch bezel around the edge of the screen. Move your finger around to get the same effect as the physical bezel. One design perk I wasn't expecting is the new one-click watch band design. No more fiddling the spring pin toggles. The
new bands are also backwards and forwards compatible, and I appreciate that they sit closer to the wash frame. The hybrid leather band on the Classic is particularly comfortable for all-day wear. Samsung is more conservative with his battery life estimates this year, claiming the Galaxy Watch 6 can last up to 30 hours, with the always-on display of 40 hours. With it turned off, that's for both sizes of both watches, even though the larger case sizes have a higher capacity battery compared to the smaller version. I wasn't quite able to
pin toggles the
reach those numbers, with the always-on getting a handful of phone notifications, one 30-minute workout using GPS and sleep tracking. I hit 27 hours on the 43mm Galaxy Watch 6 Classic before it went flat, with slightly heavier use like streaming music over Bluetooth headphones and a longer outdoor workout using GPS. That runtime is closer to 24 hours. I suspect Bluetooth will drain the battery even faster, and will update this review once I've been able to test it. Takes over an hour to charge the watch from flat to full using version. I wasn't quite able to
pin toggles the
provided USB-C charger, or you can use reverse wireless charging on a Galaxy phone for a top-up if you want the longest lasting battery. That's still the 450 Galaxy Watch 5 Pro that lasts 2.5 to 3 days. With similar use, these are the first watches to run Wear OS 4. Some of the key updates promise better battery life, and cloud backups. Apps like Gmail and Google Calendar will also come to the watch, but at the time in making video they aren't available yet. Other Google apps like the App Assistant.
Press Generate on the right to generate speech, or visit Project Settings to turn on auto generation. For more tips, click on the question mark on the bottom left corner. Happy creating.
And YouTube Music are there. And WhatsApp now has a native Wear OS app. They also run Samsung's One UI 5 watch on top of Wear OS 4 that brings Galaxy Watch exclusive features, including sleep insights and sleep coaching personalized heart rate zones. In sleep coaching personalized heart rate zones, emergency SOS can, when it detects a fall, and fall detection active automatically for users over 55.